In this video, we'll discuss how to sew a bust dart or other darts for Greenstyle patterns such as the Surfside Bikini top, Embace Bra, and Waimea Rashguard. When sewing the dart, the top of your stitch line will be 3/8 inch above the dart and below the dart, so your stitch line will finish past the apex of the two lines. Simply fold one side of the dart so the two cut lines are flush. Pin or clip in place. Again, the stitch line will be 3/8 inch above your cut line. Flipping the garment over, you'll have some overhang from the opposite side. If you measure, that is a 3/8 inch overhang. When you sew the seam allowance, the excess will be sewn within the dart allowance, leaving a clean edge. The dart can be sewn on a standard machine with a narrow stretch stitch or on a serger. For a serger, set your left needle 3/8 inch from the dart cut line. Start at the garment outer edge, moving towards the apex. Sew along the raw edge, continue along the trajectory past the apex of the dart. Your last stitch will be at least 1/2 inch past the apex. Sewing a dart creates fitted 3D volume for breast tissue or a shoulder in the case of the rash guard. You'll notice that with the 3/8 inch seam allowance, the excess hangover on the side that existed has been eliminated, and there's now a smooth transition of the bodice from above and below the dart. Lastly, decide how you want to finish the stringtails. You can choose to tie them in a knot, or using a needle with a large eye, weave the thread strands back into the looper thread of the dart. You may now proceed to the next step for sewing your garment.